Hi, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 5:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on April 28th, 2021. Real quickly, to disclaim that this is not financial advice. The opinion you should follow is your own, as well as seeking out a financial advisor if you have little or no experience in this, but you should regardless. The video is for educational purposes only and to outline my own personal opinions as well. Twitter and Reddit below, and let's get started. So right now, pretty crazy day today, up and down, volatility as expected. Before we start, though, I just wanted to. We have a special guest, my production manager. Without this person, I would not be able to put these videos up. He's educated me a lot. Say hi, Ant.
Hi.
So Anthony's my son. He's been helping out with the production of this, and I just want to make sure that he gets the credit for all of it. And as we're educating you guys, we're going to also educate him as well. So anyway, let's move forward here. NuCypher USD. Where are we right now? 52.32. Yeah, we're definitely looking a little bit sad at this point, but nothing too crazy. I still think we're going to huddle around this line back and forth until we get a more meaningful bust up. I think that I got in a little bit earlier today, rather at 57. Look, I could have gotten in lower, but like I said, I felt more certain about the overall pattern, which is higher. So I believe that NuCypher USD is in good shape. Quickly over to the NuCypher Bitcoin chart here. Clearly, still, we're actually in still. This to me is our leading indicator slash, health indicator. This thing above this line here, and we've only been into this rally for a day, and we've actually done very, very well for 1 day period. We went from 40 something last night to 59 earlier this morning, and backed off. And I expected us to back off, so I didn't. While I didn't go in full bore when I picked it up at 57, I actually am still reserving some in case we have a more meaningful pullback. But I'm not sure that it will. It looks like it's kind of like hanging out. And like I mentioned in a prior video, 50 seems to be the level. So what's the price right now, Ant?
52.52.
Excellent. Perfect. So that's kind of like what I consider roughly at the top range of the support level. And now let's go over to Bitcoin. Nothing fantastic. I'm not excited about any of this. It's kind of a boring looking crypto. It's 54 to 55 in that range. Let's see how this one plays out. But something to note, though, one thing I'm very, very interested in keeping my eye on is this pattern here. If you were to look at, a prior day when NuCypher Bitcoin broke out, this was on April 26th at 3 o'clock. We hit that line. We then invalidated that line on the way up. So remember that timestamp because I want to show you something. April 26th at 4:30, 6:30 in that evening range. We go over to this chart here and we go to April 26th. At the same time, we were not through this range. This actually, the bust up happened later on the day after. So something to consider. I'm not saying it is the all-in leading indicator, but I think that it definitely has some legs. So Bitcoin right now, looking to get, it's still within that long-term channel. So Anthony, let's ask you right now, what's the price of NuCypher?
52.3.
Perfect. 52.30.
Oh,
Spot on. That's okay. So anyway, like I mentioned, I dabbled in it at 57. I'm waiting. If it pulls back more, great. If it pulls back on the NuCypher Bitcoin chart here, I'll be picking it up as well, regardless of what NuCypher's price is. But again, if Bitcoin has a very meaningful drop, then we're in trouble, as with every other crypto. And please trade at your own risk. And do you want to sign off, Ann?
All right. Bye, everyone.
Take care, everyone.